One of the standout features of Amsterdam would have to be these canals. In fact, there's over 100 kilometers worth of these waterways throughout the city, and it probably doesn't come as much of a surprise to hear that there's about 2,500 houseboats that call this place home. But did you know that there is one houseboat in particular here in the city that is solely dedicated to cats? I am currently standing at the front of the Poezenboot, which roughly translates to mean the cat boat. It also happens to be the only floating animal shelter in the world, and I'm pretty keen to go check it out. Knock knock. Thank you. Oh. If you are a cat person here in Amsterdam, I definitely recommend that you go and visit the Cat Boat. They are a non-for-profit organisation that works solely on your generous donations, which means that I'm going to actually put a link in the description below, and if you'd like to support this worthy service, you can go make a donation directly through their website. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button so you can join me on future adventures. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Oh, you're grumpy.